I had to move away from my car. Fucking idiot. And there's their van that's not marked. Look what he's doing to my car. Look what he's doing to my car. And he's mad at me. Fucking asshole. I'm sorry, I didn't mean asshole. You gonna tell me that doesn't damage a car when they do that? Look at the sparks flying all around the car. And he's mad at me. Yeah, this went on for a while. And the reason I'm retaping them is because I don't know if my phone actually send them when I'm just doing this. Oh yeah, grind away. Oh yeah, just grind on people's cars, why don't you? After you preyed on innocent people, hardworking folks, as Sheriff Grady Judd would put it. What a mess. Look at that. That's the first blade he went through, or the second blade he went through to try to get it off. No name tags on their shirts, nothing. I don't know what the hell he's wearing, but yeah, he's going for a third blade now. All because I backed in there to unload my wash. Assholes. They were watching us, preying on us, what they do. I was there for 20 minutes and he booted my car while I was gone. Dumbasses. Yeah, I can't send it because there's not enough storage.